Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about computer organizations, the part of basic of microprocessors. Already I explained which year started to microprocessors introduced in the computer. What is the year? 1970. The first general purpose microprocessors, what is the code name? 4004 was developed. Which company? The Intel India. The microprocessor is the programmable multi-purpose silicon chip. What is the name of microprocessor? Is the programmable programmable means loaded the instructions and multi-purpose. You have using more anything. So that is silicon chip. It is a device by clock pulses. It is the clock pulses. It is accept input as a binary data after processing. Already I instructed the data we are giving the instruction to the computer. All the data will be converted with the what is the digit format, binary digits after the processing. So you want another process the data mean we giving the CPU, they get the instruction, all the data will be converted the binary code they have after they do the processing. It provides output data as per the instruction stored in there. What is the instruction we are given, what they stored in the memory, that way they have another process and display the result for output. So a black diagram microprocessor based on the system. First we are in the input. Here in the input mean we are user, they give the instruction to the computer. That instruction the storing in the memory is they are using the silicon chip. There is a microprocessor. After processing they will display the result, where they display the result output unit. So the microprocessor made of the three main units. One is the arithmetic logic unit, control unit and registers. Arithmetic and logic mean what is the instruction you are given. That instruction is a mathematical function, mean that all the function will be do the process for arithmetic and logic unit to perform arithmetic and logical instruction based on computer instruction. So control unit, the all the other units will be control. Who's that control unit? The control the overall operation of the computer through the signal. And registers, this is the internal memory, they are used to hold the instruction and data for the execution of the processor. What is the data we are giving? That data will be executed as a process, means they are processing and during the result format, otherwise they will be storing the director in the instruction. So where we was stored in internal memory of register. So the small unit, the memory unit, one of the small units is called, that name is called register. So what is the characteristics of the microprocessor? Basic of the performance, they define the three characteristics there. One is the clock speed and instruction set and word size. The clock speed means every microprocessor have a internal clock. So they regulate the speed, which is the execution instruction. We are giving the instruction, they allocate the speed. What is the instruction? How many millions second and how many seconds and millions they have execute the instruction for the processor. The speed at which the microprocessor execute the instruction is called the clock speed. That's a clock speed will be measured. We are using the two acts. One is the megahertz and another one is the gigahertz. MHz and GHz. MHz means megahertz, GHz means gigahertz. So instruction second, and the command which is given to a computer to perform the operation. A command which is given to the computer to perform the operation on data is called instruction. Basic set of the machine level instruction that a microprocessor is designed to execute is called the instruction set. So the instruction set carries out the following type of the operation. What is the operation there? Data transfer, arithmetic operation. You know the arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Logical operation, true or false. You know the logical and or not. And control flow and input output. What is the word size? The number of the bits that can be processed by the process in the single instruction. So what is the instruction? We are giving the one part, that is what is the length of word you are storing in the memory is called word size. Word size determine the amount of RAM that can be accessed by the microprocessor. How many words they have another process in the past. So depends upon the RAM speed. What is the speed measurement? The heads appreciated with the Hertz is standard unit for measurement of the used for measuring of the frequency. Already you asked in the physics your frequency, what is that? The frequency is measured with the cycle of per second, how many the data will be are executed. So 1 hertz equal to 1 cycle of per second. So 1 hertz equal to 1 cycle of per second. The hertz commonly used to measure wave frequency. Wave, you know that this is format of the wave. How this is the wavelength. Okay, wow, this is the frequency. And such as sound waves, you know that the computer system they are using the sound, the music, they have displayed that up and down, the waves is called, that sounds going up and down, how that's it. So light waves and radio. For example, the average human ear means another, yes, can detect sound waves between how many that, how many bits ma? 20 and 20,000 hertz. Sound waves close 20 hertz have the low pitches. The sound will be very low pitch or called the bass frequency. What is the name they call? Bass frequency. Sound waves is above 5,000 hertz mean that is called the high pitch. Okay, mama, high pitch. The sound will be very high. So that's the name is called the terrible frequencies. So a hertz can be used to measure the wave frequency. It is also called to used to measure the speed of the computer processor. So each CPU is rated the specific clock speed. The number indicates how many instructions of the cycle the processors can perform every second. The clock speed mean number of in the processor they have and they perform in the every second. Since modern processors, the processor, the computer, they will accept the instruction they process in, what does that mean? Perform millions or even million of instruction. How many second? Per second they have performed the, what is that? Instruction. Million and billions. So clock speed hypically. So hypically they have measured in the, what is the, they were using the measurement mean megahertz or gigahertz. What is the measurement they are using in the clock speed? Megahertz or gigahertz. What is the data communication between the CPU and memory? The central process, CPU no means central processing unit, have the memory data register. Memory data register MDR and memory address register. This is the MAR. The memory data register keeps the data will transfer between, what is the data we are getting, that data and all transfer between the memory and CPU. The program counter, this is the PC. The specific register is there, this is the CPU which always keep the address of the next instruction to be executed. They have wait for that, what is the instruction they given, afterwards they will immediately executed. The arithmetic logic unit of CPU, the places which memory mean address of memory, where they have placed that arithmetic logic unit address of memory to be fetched in the memory address register. So the arithmetic logic unit has dispatched with the memory address register. They get the data immediately executed and storing in the memory. The bus means collection of the wires. They have transferred the data in the one part to another part. Used to communication between the internal components of the computer. Internal components of the computer. How can they have moved the data mean? This is the one of the system. This they connected with the another one part. So they connected with the another part. So they are going up here and return. This is the format. They get the data and another out the data. So this is the way going and up. This is the wire connection of the bus communication. The word in RAM has the same size as the memory data register. If the processor is an 8-bit processor, what is the 8 plus? Or you know the 1 bit equal to another. How many bytes? So 4 bits equal to 1 nipple. Okay, why 8 bits equal to 1 bytes. So all the processor, internal processor, microprocessor, they have using what is the 8-bit processor like Intel 8085. So it is another. They have stored memory data register, the word in the RAM. So what is that we are using in the processor? The RAM also same bits we are using. What is that? 8 bits microprocessing in the computer mean the same RAM also we are using in the 8 bits processor. The read operation transfer the data. this is a bits from word to memory data register. So the read operation transfer the data from word to memory data registers. So in the write operation, this is a listen carefully. The read operation means another only have able to read. That operation transfer the data. Data means they convert the bits format, or you know that bits mean binary digits, okay, zeros and ones, from word to where there word to memory data register. The same word write operation. Write means here written. The operation transfer the data bits where to where memory data register to word. So read data, transfer the data from word to memory data registers. The write operation transfer the data from memory data register to word. So do you have another? Find out the difference. The read operation transfer the data from word to memory data register. The write operation transfer the data from memory data register to word. I hope you all understood this part. Thank you, student.